Have you ever wondered if two things could be connected, no matter how far apart they are? Not by strings or signals, but by something invisible and instant? Welcome to quantum entanglement, the phenomenon that Einstein himself called spooky action at a distance. What you're about to discover will challenge everything you thought you knew about reality. Let's dive in. Imagine two particles, maybe photons or electrons, that become entangled. When this happens, they form a single quantum system. Now, here's where it gets weird. If you measure one particle and it spins up, the other particle, no matter how far away, instantly spins down. Not a millisecond later. Instantly. But how is that possible? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing can travel faster than light. Yet these particles seem to communicate instantaneously across any distance. This troubled Einstein so much that he, along with Boris Podolsky and Nathan Rosen, published a paper in 1935 trying to prove quantum mechanics was incomplete. This became known as the EPR paradox. Einstein believed there must be hidden variables, some deeper reality we haven't discovered yet. He couldn't accept that particles could affect each other instantly across vast distances. It violated his understanding of how the universe works. But then came Richard Feynman, one of the greatest physicists of the 20th century. Feynman approached quantum mechanics differently. He didn't try to explain it away or find hidden mechanisms. Instead, he embraced the weirdness. He said, "I think I can safely say that nobody understands quantum mechanics." Feynman's approach was revolutionary. He developed his own way of visualizing quantum processes using what we now call Feynman diagrams. These diagrams showed how particles interact at the quantum level, and they revealed something profound about entanglement. In the quantum world, particles don't have definite properties until they're measured. Before measurement, they exist in what's called a superposition, a state of all possible values at once. When two particles become entangled, their superpositions become correlated. They share a single quantum state. Now, here's the crucial insight Feynman emphasized. When you measure one particle, you're not sending a signal to the other particle. Instead, you're collapsing their shared quantum state. Both particles were always part of one system, even if they're light years apart. The measurement doesn't create the connection. It reveals it. In 1964, physicist John Stuart Bell developed a mathematical test called Bell's theorem. This theorem could determine whether Einstein's hidden variables existed or whether quantum mechanics was right about entanglement. Over the next few decades, scientists performed countless experiments, and every single one confirmed quantum mechanics. Entanglement is real. The universe really is that weird. In 2022, the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Elaine Aspect, John Clauser, and Anton Zeilinger for their experiments with entangled photons. They definitively proved that quantum entanglement exists and that Einstein's hidden variables don't. The spooky action at a distance is genuine. But here's what makes this even more mind-blowing. Recent discoveries in 2026 show that entanglement might survive even inside black holes. Researchers found that quantum information doesn't completely disappear when particles fall into a black hole. Instead, entanglement creates a bridge between the interior and exterior of the black hole. This could solve the black hole information paradox that's puzzled physicists for decades. Feynman once said about quantum mechanics, "If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics." But he also showed us how to work with it, how to calculate probabilities and make predictions, even when our intuition screams that something is impossible. Entanglement isn't just a curiosity. It's the foundation for quantum computing, which could revolutionize technology. Quantum computers use entangled qubits to perform calculations that would take classical computers millions of years. Companies like IBM, Google, and others are racing to build practical quantum computers. In 2019, Google claimed quantum supremacy when their quantum computer solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. Entanglement is also behind quantum cryptography, which could make communication absolutely secure. When two parties share entangled particles, any attempt to eavesdrop would immediately disturb the quantum state, alerting them to the intrusion. This technology is already being tested for secure government and financial communications. Some physicists, like Leonard Susskind and Juan Maldacena, have proposed that entanglement might be even more fundamental than space and time. They suggest that the fabric of space-time itself emerges from quantum entanglement. In this view, the universe isn't made of particles in space. Space is made of entangled particles. This idea, called ER equals EPR, connects Einstein's wormholes with quantum entanglement in a stunning theoretical framework. So what does all this mean for reality? It means the universe is far stranger and more connected than we ever imagined. It means that at the deepest level, everything is interconnected in ways we're only beginning to understand. It means that the boundary between here and there, between past and future, might be an illusion created by our limited perspective. Feynman understood this better than most. He knew that nature doesn't care about our intuitions or our common sense. Nature operates by rules that are often bizarre and counterintuitive. But those rules are consistent and mathematical. And by following the math, we can understand and harness phenomena that once seemed like magic. Quantum entanglement shows us that reality is woven together in ways we never suspected. Two particles, separated by the width of the universe, remain profoundly connected. What happens to one instantly affects the other. This isn't science fiction. This is science fact. And it's rewriting our understanding of everything. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. The light from distant stars has traveled for billions of years to reach your eyes. But at the quantum level, particles that were entangled at the Big Bang might still be connected today. The universe isn't just a collection of separate objects. It's a single interconnected quantum system. And we're all part of it. As Feynman would remind us, we don't need to fully understand something to work with it and learn from it. The joy is in the exploration, in the discovery, in the constant questioning of what we think we know. Quantum entanglement is one of the most profound mysteries in physics, and solving it might unlock secrets about the nature of reality itself. So, does quantum entanglement break reality? Maybe it doesn't break reality. Maybe it reveals what reality truly is. A place where distance is an illusion, where connection transcends space and time, and where the very fabric of existence is woven from quantum threads we're only beginning to see. That's the power of physics. That's the beauty of Feynman's legacy. And that's why quantum entanglement continues to fascinate, challenge, and inspire us to look deeper into the mysteries of the universe.